Bobby, Kate Caber, Red Mendoza, and Jereza and Lars. They're just, I think, 1/4 of our content creators.
Oh, 1/4.
There's a lot more upstairs. We're just fixing and then...
They're preparing for the show tonight also. Alright.
Siguro sir, ano lang po, paano lang po nag-start yung concept ng The House of Collab? Ikaw po siguro maganda mag-explain.
Honestly, I was approached by one of my best friends, J. Galvin. He's the CEO of The House of Collab. That was like 3 years ago, if I can remember it correctly. We're in, nasa ano lang kami, to be honest, sa inuman kami ng Christmas party.
Napuo sa inuman ng...
Yes, after ng lockdown. Actually, before lockdown pa, parang napag-usapan na namin siya. Kasi I'm not a content creator naman talaga before. I'm into business as well as JV and also John, one of my friends. And then sabi niya sa akin, right, then I started doing contents, and then for some reason nag-boom yung mga contents. So it started from nothing talaga, and then just a few months it turned into hundreds of thousands, into millions, and now I'm also shocked that I got 7.4 million followers now, to be honest. And then during that time I only have like 2 million followers, and then si JV nga approached me, sabi niya, he told me na
Inaalam ako.
Okay lang. Yeah. He told me na...
Direct pa inaan naman yung 8.
Makaka-copyright kami.
Makaka-copyright ko.
Kaya di namin maririnig masyado yung pag pinapakinggan na
That's
yan.
our original song.
Original song.
It's our original song.
So JB approached me that time, then sabi niya, Rai, why don't we do something about, say you're starting to be an influencer, ganito ganyan. During that time, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I was just doing it for fun. Pero being a business-minded person, sabi ko rin sa sarili ko na I can use this somewhere down the line into a business. And then nung in-approach na ako ni JV, sabi ko, baka this might be what I'm waiting for na to really turn it into a business. And then yun, every now and then tumatawag siya sa akin, nagsasabi siya sa akin, alright, ito na, may nakausap tayo ganito, may ganito na, may ganyan na. And then yun, that's where the House of Collab started. Also John, wherever you are, because he just passed away recently, you know. He's one of the brain sa vision din ni John, nag-start talaga itong House of Collab. So that's where, and then after that, everything is history. We're now in season 7.
Oo nga eh, ang bilis na. So ito na yung mga... Di ba 25 sila? No?
Yes,
so,
24 I'm since na-introduce ko ng iba, this is Chandria, Liza, and then...
nalinalis ka naman dyan. Nagulat ako, kala ko content creator ka din.
Annalyn.
Nagulat ako sa isa.
Malay ko ba nakaharap kayo doon?
Ayan, so...
Nasa na ba?
You want me to introduce them ulit from...
Yes,
Pero this just one of them.
Hindi
Oh yeah, go
kompleto,
introduce yourself.
pag kompleto na sana.
Hindi, okay na habang sinandito sila.
Okay, so introduce yourself starting from me.
I'm Kate Lascano, 80 years old. Yes. I'm from Pampanga. I am a content creator dito sa The House of Collab Season 7.
Hi guys, I'm Pabi from Season 6 and ngayon nasa Season 7. And part po ako ng LGBT.
Ayun nga, nagtaas ka ng kamay kanina.
Yes, part po ako ng LGBT. And dito ko rin po nahanap yung true love ko.
Meron na dito? Talaga. So, mamimit ba namin siya mamaya?
Ay, wala po
nakalabas
siya.
na siya?
Season 6 po siya. Ngayon, Season 7 ako lang po yung nandito.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Kate Caber. I am a starter and season ender of Season 5. And now I'm here in Season 7 for the 1 million. Nice to meet you.
Hello po, my name is Red Mendoza, 20 years old from Lesbian City. And being here in the House of Collab is a big, huge leap para sa career ko because I once started as an actor din po, and for me this is the best path for me.
Nag-start ka as an actor?
Yes po.
Oh, okay.
So yun po. And itong House of Collab yung nagbigay sa akin ng pinakamalaking opportunity and growth in terms of career and personality.
Okay.
Thank you.
Kayo tandem kayo talaga? Or hindi? Ha? Pero ba't paras kayo nandito? For this ano lang, collab. Okay, come on.
Hello everyone, I'm Juresa, aka Panty Queen. 18 times 2 from Cebu.
So 30s.
Yes.
30s.
Hi guys, I'm Lars Avila from Negros Occidental. I'm 21 years old.
Part ka rin ng...
Yes po.
Ikaw hindi na.
Talaga.
Pero girl ka, no?
Bye po. Yes.
Okay. Tapos ito. Okay. Huwag mo sabihin ano na.
Hello everyone, my name is Chandria Alorde, 24 years old from Makati City. And I am a content creator from the House of Collab Season 7. Thank you.
Hello po, I'm Liza Sabihon, 21 years old. Ikan pa sa Davao, full-time mom and content creator.
Talaga ba? Kala ko 16 ka lang.
Hello everyone, my name is Hannah B and I'm 23 years old from Naga City, Camarines Sur.
Okay. Lapit na lang kayo iba dito.
Hi everyone, my name is Jim.
Lapit kayo konti.
Hi everyone, my name is Jim Pacmizon from Cebu, Isang Sayang Dako. I'm a seaman.
Ano ulit sa
Seaman.
Maninig akong dako eh.
Hi everyone, I'm JD Batino from Amadeo, Cavite. Ngayon lang natin nilabas tong gantong outfit and I'm a counselor.
Talaga? Sandali, pwede bang sabihin na ano ka? Member ka ng...
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Kasi parang content mo lang ngayon eh. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Carl Season and I'm from Imus Kawit, Cavite. And I'm from Season 6 po, nagbabalik ngayon, Season 7, 20.
Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy Santiago, 24 years old. From Montelupa City, a singer-songwriter and a performer from Sony Music Philippines.
Singer-songwriter.
Opo.
Talaga? May nagawa ka ng man?
Opo, madami na din.
Bonggo.
Hello po, my name is Kai from Season 3, The House of Collab. Ngayong Season 7 po, ang Joshua Garcia naman po ng Toxic.
Wow. Okay, so... Patunayan mo yan
Hello po, I'm Sean Gemesta po. I'm from Davao City, 23 years old po, and I'm actually a dance choreographer and also a dancer as profession. Internationally dancer.
Yung look mo, content mo lang yan or ikaw yan mismo?
Ako ito po mismo.
So member ka rin na...
LGBT.
Okay. Totoo nga sinabi. Marami na sila.
Hi, my name is Jetor. I'm a licensed professional teacher. So, I stopped being a teacher and now I'm a full-time content creator. So, nakafocus na tayo dito.
Iniwan mong pagtituro for mamaya mag-usap tayo.
Hi, I'm Mami Gray. I'm 25 years old. I'm a breadwinner. I'm from Santa Ana, Manila. And I'm a member of the LGBT community.
Saan?
Lesbian.
Ang gaganda.
Di halata.
Oo nga, ang gaganda.
Hello everyone, I'm Lloydie from Zamboanga del Norte, Mindanao. So 21 years old and I do travel, food, and lifestyle vlog.
Okay. And,
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Dennis Eusebio and I'm a student pilot trainee. I'm 24 years old from San Fernando, Pampanga.
Okay. And the director of the...
Nood tayo ng live show.
Pakilala ka rin si Direct
I'm Direk June Zarate from Itbulaga. Amini. Nood tayo ng live show.
Sige. Introduce yourself lang.
Hi, my name is Rizala Annie Herado.
Content creator from
the House of Collab.
Okay. Saan ano ka? City or
Bacolod City.
Bacolod.
Hi guys, I'm Amber Mas, 25 years old from Marikina City, content creator from the House of Collab.
Kung saan ka area galing, tsaka kung ilan ka na, tsaka anong ginagawa mong mga content?
Hello po, I'm Lorna Bersola, 25 years old from Samar po. I'm a business owner, pero ngayon po content creator na ako. And ginagawa ko po POV, fashion, lifestyle po. Sure?